Hi, it's Brenda Quintana on day 11 of our Master Bath Reno. I just have a short update for you today, so let's get started. So nothing happened over here. This is where our closets will be, our bed's going to go, and today it was just the plumber. So he explained some things to me, so I can explain them to you now. And so to this right here, this is where our drains will be for our vanity. Those black caps will eventually attach to the bottom of our sinks, and they will drain out this way towards where the toilet is. This pipe going up here is going to vent to the attic. That's where the gases are going to escape, the air behind water thing. And then this is also going to be where the shower drains. And if we were to lift up the floorboards, you will see the drain for the shower. But since the shower is more than 6 feet away from the air vent, he had to add another air vent. So you can see that angled pipe going up. That will be our air behind water for the shower drain. And he's able to put this on an angle like that because that behind there will be a shower bench. So that area will not be part of our shower floor. So that is the main thing that got accomplished today. There's a lot of work that went on behind this piece too. He had to sister up some joists because of the holes he was putting in to put pipes in. So there's a lot of stuff that goes on below that we can't even see. So everything's looking really good. Just a lot of bones happening today. As my plumber was cleaning up and vacuuming in between underneath the floorboards today, he found this. This is an old matchbook. It's empty now. Our house was built about 50 years ago. It's we just passed the 50th anniversary last year. This was a grocery store. It was called Allmax, and it was in the area. And they used to have little coupons that you could cut out. And I think this is one of those little stamps, that S&H right there. You could take that and put that in a coupon book and I guess trade it in for merchandise or something like that. But Almax no longer exists. So that was kind of a cool little find in the floorboards. No interesting, no valuable things, but just kind of little memories. So that's kind of cool. Well, thank you so much for stopping in and seeing the video today. I will have more updates for you later this week. Take care until then. Bye.